Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware that is called NMO. NMO is a special ransomware that belongs to the dr.nemo ransomware family. The video will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware affects your files. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you're able to open files without any troubles at all. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other documents. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, because of certain leaks in the security of the specific computer, this NMO ransomware may be injected into the device. So after executing a sample of NMO ransomware on this test computer, it encrypted files and altered their file names. The original titles were appended with a unique ID, the cyber criminal's email address, and finally this NMO extension. So we see this pop-up window mentioning that the files are encrypted. The ransomware demands from its victims to pay the ransom and to contact the developers using two email addresses provided. In addition to this pop-up window, the ransomware also drops this ransom note on the desktop and into some other folders too. It says basically the same thing, that people need to pay the ransom. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file recovery, so don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. To download it, you need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts can also be modified by this NMO ransomware. So go to the official page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner through this green download button, install the software and then begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your system, and then you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the excellent feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. And we do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is completed, and then Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of the threats which were found during the scan. You'll be able to know the locations of some of these threats, but I strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future. And please find the detailed removal guide for this NMO ransomware in the description for the video.